ShubhVardan.com, and I see that the young girl who is actually able to almost handle a beautiful program session on the digital marketing and the total building up of a system, and if she's been able to be presenting this kind of a thing, I think her father has really enabled her to deliver this kind of a program at this young age. And I feel very proud that this kind of young entrepreneurs are coming up in India today, and I really wish them a lot of success. And it's great. And today anyway, the first day session was very informative, and I feel that a lot of people should take up this kind of courses where you can learn a lot of things about the digital space, what we can really create ourselves and build a profile which can earn a lot of money, and it can probably empower you with a lot of time. Thank you so much. It was a great session, and I look forward to a lot of other things I would like to learn in these next 4-5 days what you have scheduled for this program. Thank you so much, and wish you all the best.